What's going on, everybody? Welcome and thank you for joining me today for this informative session on final expense insurance. My name is Kevin Livingston. I am the owner of Livingston Insurance here, and I'm here to guide you through understanding and navigating final expense options. Now, no one can predict the future, but we can protect it. And at Livingston Insurance is about educating consumers and providing consumers with an affordable insurance premium, which allows them to be protected from unplanned circumstances. We at Livingston Insurance understand that dealing with insurance is not a fun and a pleasant task to deal with. And that is the reason why I established this agency in the year of 2020. We wanted to create not just an agency that sells insurance, but an agency that actually educates our consumers on what insurance is and what each individual consumer needs. And we're here at Livingston Insurance, established in the state of Louisiana and writes business in over 20 states. Now, my name is Kevin Livingston. Once again, I am an insurance agent or broker. Licensed in more than 20 states. I have been working in the insurance industry since 2017. I started my career working with an Allstate insurance claims department, working as a data entry clerk, processing the claims. And after my time with the claims department with Allstate, I began to work with an Allstate agency as a customer service representative until I received my property and casualty license. And further along, I received my life license as well. After working with several Allstate agencies for a few years, I decided to start my own agency where I can help others maintain suitable insurance that fit their needs. And on this webinar today, we are going to be talking about final expense insurance. So let's hop right into it. So what is final expense insurance? Final expense insurance is a certain type of life insurance with a smaller death benefit. It's typically ranging from $2,000 to $35,000. It could be more. Its primary purpose is to provide your loved ones with the financial resources they need to cover your final expenses. That's going to be like your funeral or cremation costs, medical bills, or outstanding debts. This can alleviate significant financial stress during an already emotional, challenging time for your family. Now, there are some benefits on final expense coverage as well. Final expense insurance offers several key benefits. It provides peace of mind, knowing your loved ones won't face the financial burden of final expenses. Additionally, the premiums are generally affordable, making it accessible to a broader range of individuals, and the guaranteed payout and the ease of obtaining coverage, often without a medical exam, further add to the value of final expense insurance. Okay, now the types of final expense coverage. We're going to be talking about whole life real quick. Whole life insurance is a type of permanent life insurance that provides coverage for the entire lifetime of you as long as your premiums are paid. It offers a death benefit to your beneficiaries upon your death, along with a cash value component that grows over time. The premiums often remains level throughout the life of the policy, providing predictability and stability for policyholders such as yourself. Whole life insurance policies often offer guaranteed cash value accumulation and may pay dividends depending on the insurer's or yourself financial performance. Next, we have the simplified issue life insurance. The simplified life insurance is a type of life insurance policy that offers coverage without requiring a medical exam. Applicants typically need to answer a series of health related questions on the application to determine eligibility. While simplified issue policies may have higher premiums compared to fully underwritten policies, they offer a quicker and simpler application process. Now, these type of life insurance policies are suitable for individuals who may have health issues or prefer to avoid medical exams. And last, we have guaranteed issue life insurance. Guaranteed issue life insurance is a type of policy that guarantees coverage regardless of the applicant's health status or medical history. No medical exams or health questions are required for approval, making it accessible to individuals in pre existing conditions or serious health issues. There will be some type of health issues, questions that you will have to answer though. Coverage amounts are typically limited and premiums are often higher compared to other types of life insurance due to the increased risk to the insurer. Guaranteed issue life insurance provides a solution for individuals who may have difficulty obtaining coverage through traditional life insurance policies. Now, why should you get final expense insurance? Final expense insurance offers flexibility in how the death benefit is used, while the primary purpose is to cover final expenses. It can also be used to pay off outstanding debts, alleviate the financial burden of medical bills, or even contribute towards future expenses for your loved ones. Now, let's do a case study. Let's meet with the family, the Smith family. So imagine John and Mary Smith, which is a typical family facing real concerns. Whatever the case may be, use your imagination. Without life insurance, Mary worries about the financial impact on her and their children if John were to pass away. By choosing a final expense policy, they gain peace of mind knowing that their final expense will be covered, allowing Mary to focus on the children's well-being during a difficult time. Now, let's meet with Sarah, another case study. Sarah is a single mother facing financial challenges with limited savings. As the sole provider for her family, she is concerned about the financial security of her children in the event of her passing. So let's take this situation. Sarah worries about the possibility of leaving her children burdened with debt, including funeral expenses and outstanding bills. With little savings to fall back on, she recognizes the importance of finding a solution to protect her family's financial future. So her solution that I will give her is to get a final expense policy. So Sarah decides to explore final expense insurance as a proactive measure to safeguard her children's well-being. Understanding the benefits of a final expense coverage, she seeks out a policy tailored to her needs and financial situation. And by her getting that final expense coverage and by buying a final expense policy, she experienced a sense of relief and peace of mind. She no longer worries about the financial burden her passing may place on her children. With the assurance of a death benefit payout, Sarah's children are protected from potential financial hardships, allowing them to grieve without added stress. So, what's the takeaway of Sarah's story? It highlights the importance of planning ahead and taking proactive steps to protect loved ones. Final expense insurance offers a valuable solution for individuals like Sarah, providing financial security and peace of mind during challenging times. Now, so coverage details for a final expense policy. The final expense insurance offers customized coverage amounts tailored to individual needs. Policyholders can choose options that adequately cover end-of-life expenses and may enhance coverage with optional riders. We will be doing another type of video that explains optional riders. So policy terms and conditions. Understanding the policy terms and conditions is crucial. This includes payment details, renewal provisions, and any type of limitations or exclusions. Clarity on these aspects ensures informed decision making. And also, we are going to be talking about the beneficiary designation and payout process. That is very key. Policyholders should carefully select beneficiaries and provide clear guidance on filing claims. This ensures a smooth process for beneficiaries during a difficult time. Now, the tips that for choosing final expense insurance. Let's take a look here. Assessing your needs and your financial situation. Before diving into final expense insurance options, it's essential to assess your own financial situation and individual needs. Take the time to evaluate the potential expense your loved ones may face upon your passing, including funeral costs, outstanding debts, and any other financial obligations you want to cover. By understanding your financial needs, you can determine the appropriate coverage amount for your policy. Comparing policies from reputable insurers or companies. So when it comes to final expense insurance, not all policies are created equal. That's very important for you to know. It's crucial to research and compare policies from reputable companies. Look for companies with strong financial ratings and a track record of reliability. By comparing policies, you can ensure you're getting the best coverage at a competitive price. Now, pay attention to policy features, benefits, and any limitations or exclusions that may apply to on your policy. Consulting with an independent insurance broker for guidance. Navigating the world of insurance, it can be overwhelming, especially when it comes to final expense coverage. That's where an independent insurance broker, such like myself, can be invaluable. We as brokers specialize in helping clients find the right insurance solution for their unique needs. We have access to a wide range of policies from various insurers and companies and can provide personalized guidance and recommendations. Consulting with us can help you make informed decisions and find the best coverage for options to protect your loved one's financial future. Now, let's do a quick recap of what we just discussed here on this webinar. And so, as a wrap up, we understand final expense insurance. Let's take a moment. We want to do a recap. The recap here throughout today's session, we dived into essentials of final expense insurance, examining its purpose, benefits, and various coverage options. We've discussed the significance of assessing individual needs, comparing policies, and seeking guidance from independent insurance brokers to make well-informed decisions. Final expense insurance service serves a vital role in providing financial security for our loved ones during a difficult time by ensuring funds are available to cover end-of-life expenses. It relieves the burden on family members and ensures a significant farewell for our loved ones. And last, as we conclude, I want to leave you with a gentle reminder to take proactive steps towards securing your financial future, whether it's final expense insurance or other forms of financial planning. Take action today and provide peace of mind and protection for your loved ones for tomorrow. Once again, I want to thank you for joining me on our webinar. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to me. Once again, my name is Kevin Livingston. I am the owner and broker of Livingston Insurance LLC. My contact information, my email address is info@livingstonInsuranceLLC.com. My phone number, you can call or text me. That is going to be 985-235-0738. Once again, I want to thank you for joining my webinar. Contact me for your final expense coverage needs. Thank you.